Hello po! Nag-unbox kami ng Smooshy Mushy Cup and Cakes. Ito po yung mga laman.
This
Ayan.
is our Smooshy Mushy.
And then two.
These are two keychains or whatever it is.
And then a small cup. A version of this small cup. And a lollipop.
And a little lollipop for you to eat.
No, that's not.
Oh yeah.
Like a Smooshy Mushy din na maliit.
And it's a name tag.
And a name tag. Ayan. Ayan po yung mga laman. Yes. Thank you.